Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we've got an M4 and we're going to do a Plinth Delete Kit on this car, which means we're going to remove this box that's a bit too big. We do have two different options and I'm going to go through each and the benefits of each part. Before I start explaining, the first thing I'm going to do is take off the plate and the plinth, and I'll show you why we're doing this in the first place. So let's go. So this is the factory mounting box that comes with BMW, and the whole reason why we're getting rid of this is because it's way too big. As you can see, even Victorian plates are a little bit taller, this still doesn't quite cover the plate, or it's far too big. You can also see it from the side, it's quite bulky. So we're going to reduce this down to one of two options. This is one, which is a little bit smaller. And we've got this one here, which is smaller again, and I'll show you the differences. So with a factory plinth, the way it works is the dealership will put holes in all four corners, which would be transferred to the grille. So if you already have the hole, this version is probably the better fitting because this will go straight into the factory hole and that covers it pretty well. Now, if you have a completely virgin grille, so there's no holes at all, and the dealership has not fitted this, you probably want this one because this one fits in between this vein on the grille and it slots in perfectly. And when you do drill, you'll be drilling in between, so you never see the hole outside, you'll be always covered. As a bonus, this is millimeter perfect and it's dead center. On this car, we'll be installing this version because the customer will be installing heritage plates and they'll cover the hole anyway. The customer likes it to have it perfectly center. So let's go get this on to the car. Okay, first step is to drill a little pilot hole. So all you gotta do is line up to the car. It fits in like a glove, you can't get it wrong. Pilot 2 holes and then you can put your bolt in. Now that we have the miniature plinth on, you got to pair up your correct bracket to suit your number plate. So if you've got a standard or slimline plate, you grab a slimline bracket and mount it to the plinth. In this case, we are mounting a heritage plate. So we've got a heritage bracket, mount that on, and then the plates can go on. Just make sure you grab this at checkout because it is a 2-part mounting solution and you will need both parts. And that's the delete kit done. So we removed the factory mounting box and replaced it with this version here. We also have this version. So depending on the situation, you just choose the right part. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.